All right, guys, welcome back to another 5-axis CNC video. Yeah! You guys completely blew up the last video, and I really appreciate that. So, here is another quick turnaround video. We're just doing a couple minor updates to this, and I wanted to film some more for you guys so you guys can stay updated. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me out. You guys had a lot of subscribers on the last video, so extremely motivating to keep making these series. So make sure you subscribe, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in. Here we go. Start by disassembling this thing. I'm going to give you a couple of time lapses, try something new. So yeah, enjoy. Alright, got everything disassembled. So this is the old one, this is the new one. I just want to show a couple key differences. So you can see here, this edge piece where the motor mounts on, right there, that's all one piece, whereas on the new version, it actually mounts separately. So this will mount on something like this. So you can see that's the big difference, so that allows me to get my screws in here, whereas like here I'm trying to get 2 screws in there with all of the stuff that's sitting on here. It's virtually impossible, if not impossible. And then the same thing goes for this one. This is all one piece, whereas on the new version it has this motor mount which screws on separately. I think that's the main differences that I can think of. So as I was reassembling, I found this guy, and I think in the previous video I mentioned that we were having some wobble, or it's not completely tight. I believe that is due to this thing. It's not set up properly. Oh, my video is upside down. Anyways, these 2 teeth, if you can see, there's a little nook and another, or a little notch, another notch. Those should be interlocked. So this is essentially, this anti-backlash nut is essentially ineffective at this moment. So that's cool. I will fix that before I put it back together. Alright, I have yet again made another mistake. So, apparently I made this hole right there too deep, so these actually slide all the way through and they don't stay up in here. They actually have a little gap down here. So that's kind of bad. I think what I'm just going to do is just going to print some like spacers that'll fit in there and just offset it from the bottom. I don't know, a couple millimeters. That should fix it, but in the next design, definitely will fix that. This is version 3 that we got going on. It was a pretty quick turnaround, nothing huge in my opinion. Just a rundown of what we did. We made this this motor mount module, as well as this motor mount module, so that way we can install all the screws. That was pretty much it. And then we also made these top loader instead of the original bottom loaders, wherever those are at, right here. So we used to have a loader from the bottom, we were fighting gravity. Now we don't have to do that, so that's pretty cool. Got everything hooked up, and I'm actually hooking up all the screws this time, since I think we'll actually be ready to run this thing. And yeah, it's pretty much good to go. Just got to get the electronics in, which will be next video. I'm actually taking the electronics from my other CNC and I want to make them hot swappable, so I don't have to buy new electronics. So it'll just be using the same electronics for 2 different CNCs, which will be very interesting. But yeah, it's coming along pretty well. I also added this nice little axis here at the bottom, so that way I could slide my lead screw in and out if I need to. Yeah, pretty excited. Hopefully this thing's gonna run well, and yeah, thank you guys for all the support. You guys have been crazy on the last video for sure. I do appreciate it. It motivates me, and hopefully I can keep doing this. So drop a subscribe, and yeah, thank you.